Hi guys, my name is Emma and today I would like to start with very psychological thing to discuss with you their risks, because yes, in this sphere as trading there is their chance of risks and many people are afraid to start trading because of it, and it is the worst thing about this because there are people who contemplate in their heads every day this idea that they will start trading, that they will start learning something, and they do not start at all because these risks frighten them to start. Or somebody already tried themselves in trading, they got this loss and now they do not want to engage anymore. But guys, you should never give up because we have a lot of options how to avoid these risks. We learned technical analysis. I created a Telegram chat where I post the trading signals, where I share my experience, the information about trading, where you can be the member and learn these steps yourself. That's what I'm talking about, the risk management. So if you want to join my Telegram chat, you can find the link in the description under this video and write into my Telegram personal messages the code word private. I will add you there and you will get all the access to the information there. Well guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put a like, write a comment, and we are ready to start our trading today. Hi everyone, today I will overclock my deposit up to $5,000. You see my deposit now is $15 and I will use my strategy as usual. And watch this video to the end and you will see all the steps that I take to achieve the result. So let's start at first station. Well, here's the support level and here there was a very good downward movement. The price touched this level, then there was a rollback upwards. Now it's again moving to the level. I think that very soon this level will be broken through, so let's open a trade. We're down for 3 minutes. I think that there will be a small rollback up or a small flat, and after that the downward movement will continue because the potential of a price for a decrease is very good, and this level will be broken through definitely. Well, it's quite interesting. You can see that price got in the small flat and after that the down movement continued and the level was broken through. As I said, we got the profit and this time was enough for this. Let's continue. Well guys, here you can see the support level is here and there is the downward movement and the price maximum is getting lower. So right now the price is in the small flat and there is the side movement and some kind of accumulation. So let's open a trade. We're down for 3 minutes because I will wait until the price continues moving, and you can see the price has a very good potential for a decrease here. Well, it's quite good. The downward movement continued and this level was broken through. As you can see, the profit is ours. So let's continue and find another situation. Well, here you can see the support level as well. And right now the price is moving to our level very confidently, and right now you can notice a small rollback up. Well, let's open a trade for 3 minutes. We're down because the price, I suppose, will continue moving to this level, and I'm setting this time expecting the small flat or a rollback again. And you see there is a potential for a decrease here. So let's check it. Well, it's not bad. The price got into the range and is moving in this range. But anyway, after 3 minutes, the price was in the lower zone and our trade is profitable. I think the price will be moving in this range for a while and then it will be sticking to the level, then breaking it through. But I'll find another situation. Well, here you can see the support level again, and right now there is the downward movement here and the price maximum is getting lower. There is sticking to the level and the price is starting to break it through. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down here because the price is already going beyond this level, and after that there is a rollback up happening. I think that after the small retracement the price will continue moving down and this level will be broken through completely. Well guys, it's quite good. After the small retracement the price continued moving down and we closed this trade profitable. 2 minutes were enough for this, and right after that the price bounced to the resistance level but didn't come back to its previous range while fixing under this level, and it means that this level was broken through completely. Let's continue. Well, here you can see the support level, and right now the price is moving with a very confident impulsive candlesticks, but to the support level there is still a place and we can open a trade. We're down for 2 minutes. I suppose this price will continue moving to this level and break it through. I'm sitting this time with the result because I can expect the small flat or a rollback up, and after that we will get our profit. Well, it's quite good. After the small rollback up, the price moved to this level and we got the profit. So 2 minutes were enough for this. And you can also notice that the support level isn't broken through yet and there is sticking to the level and the flat is right at our level. I think this level will be broken through very soon. Well, let's open the next trade here. Here you can see a small rollback upwards. It is a very good point to open a trade. We're down. Let's do it for 2 minutes. I think this time will be enough for this, and this time we will get our profit. Well guys, it's not bad. You can see after the small rollback upwards the price continued moving down and this level is broken through. Now we got a very excellent profit. This time was enough for that. Well, let's keep on now trading. Well, here you can find the support level and there was a very good downtrend here. The price touched this level, then there was a small rollback upwards, and after that the price again moved down and stick to this level. Well, let's open the trade for 2 minutes with down because I think this level will be broken through and I can see very good potential for a decrease, and I'm setting this time with the reserve because there can be a small rollback upwards. Well guys, it's quite good. The price continued moving down and we closed this trade profitable, and 2 minutes were enough for the situation. So this level isn't broken through yet, but right now we can see there is a very good upward pullback. Well, let's try to open the next trade here. Let's wait and see the further movements, and if after this rollback the price will keep on moving down, we will open a trade with down. And this level is given the resistance right now. You can see the rollback upwards, but after that the price is moving down. Well, let's open that trade for 2 minutes with down. I think that very soon this level will be broken through, and let's see what can happen. Well guys, it's very good. You can see the price continued moving down and we got our profit. So 2 minutes were enough for this situation. The price broke through this level and then fixed under it. So we can find another situation to trade. Well guys, here you can see that there is the support level here, and you can notice the very good downward movement to our level. The price touched this level, then there was a rollback upwards, and after that the price is again moving down. Well, let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down because I think the price will keep on moving to this level and maybe it will be broken through because the potential for a decrease is very good here. Well, let's check it. Well, guys, it's quite good. The price moved down, and even there was a false breakout of our level. So right after that, there was a rollback upwards. So let's open the next trade here, because I think the price will continue moving down and break this level through completely. And right now at this pullback, it's a very good point to open a trade way down. And I think the price will move to this level from this point, because it is already starting to fall. Well, guys, here unfortunately we got a loss, and you can see that after the rollback upwards, the price continued moving to this level, but we didn't have time for that, just a few seconds. And unfortunately these situations are possible, and even technical analysis doesn't guarantee the result. It happens when there's a very high resistance. This level isn't broken through yet. There was just a false breakout, but there were all the prerequisites for the breakout. Maybe it will happen very soon, but right here we got the loss. So, but it's not a reason to be sad about, because we have a deposit now, and I don't see any reasons to give up. We need to stick to our guns and find another situation. Well, guys, here you can see the support level, and right now the price is moving quite impulsively and confidently to our level, and right now you can see red candlestick has been formed. So let's open a trade way down for 2 minutes. The price touched this level, then bounced up, and after that the price is starting to slow. So you see it's been moving quite impulsively, and I suppose it will continue moving to the support level and then break this level through, because I can see the potential for a decrease is quite good here. Well, right now the support level isn't broken through yet, and again you see the impulsive rollback upwards. Maybe there will be the small flat, because this level is quite strong here, and on the left you can see that the price stick to this level but couldn't break it through. Maybe this time the level will again give the resistance. So let's continue and find another situation. Well, here you can see the support level, and right now the price is sticking to the level. It's the downward movement, and the price maximum is getting lower. So the price is already starting to go beyond this level. Well, let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes. I think this level will be broken through, and the price isn't bouncing up and been sticking to this level. Well, guys, it's quite good. The price broke through this level and we got the profit. So 2 minutes were enough for this situation. Well, my deposit is $3,000. So let's find the last trade for today. Let me find something interesting and I'll come back to you. Well, here you can see there is the support level here, and there was a downward movement. It is quite good. The price touched this level, then there was a very good rollback upwards. So after that the price is again moving to our level. So let's open that trade for 3 minutes way down. I think the price will continue moving to this level, because there is a very good potential for a decrease here. You can see the price maximum is getting lower. So 3 minutes will be with the reserve, because there can be the small flat. Why not? So, and after that the movement will continue. Well, guys, really there was a small flat, and after that the price continued moving down. There was the exit from this flat, and the price is moving to our level. I think it will be broken through very soon, but my deposit is $5,000 and I would like to stop here, because I fulfilled my plan and I don't need any more for today. You see that well, the situations were quite profitable. Of course, we had one loss. Unfortunately, it can happen, and the technical analysis doesn't guarantee the result, as I said this, but you never give up. You should always try and do your best in this sphere. You should understand that the market doesn't give you the 100% result, and you should learn how to understand and feel the market. You should train and find the similar situations that you already seen. Only this experience that you will get during your training will help you become proficient in trading. I'm telling you this so confidently because I have already undergone this path and I know what I'm talking about. Of course, you understand that it's about the risks, but you should take these risks because only risks will help you become better, will help you grow up as a personality. And that's why I always invite people to my Telegram chat, because if we are together, there is a bigger chance that we will share our experience, our ideas, and another guys will know these techniques, these hands, and will avoid all the risks possible. If you want to join my Telegram chat, find the link in the description under this video. Write me into my Telegram personal messages the code word private. I will add you there and you will get all the access to the information that I post there. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, write a comment, write the ideas about what you would like to see in the next videos. You can write it in the comments or in Telegram, everywhere you wish. So I'll see you in the next videos.